Morning with Julius Babaw and Nina Corpus. Sa nangungunang DZMM Radio Patrol sa Istreta.
Okay, balik tayo sa magandang morning. Kasama pa rin natin si Miss Tina Marasigan, ng ating traffic angel na pansamantalang puwapalit kay Sunshine Girl Nina Corpus.
Pala siya.
Oo, yun ang kanyang pangalan dito. So, mag-iisip na rin ako ng pangalan mo. Sige, meron tayong mga guest ngayon.
May mga bisita tayo ngayon mula sa Zero In. Itong Zero In ay isang consortium ng 5 pribadong mga museo dito sa Pilipinas. Kasama natin si Mr. Claro Ramirez, isang artistic director. Magandang umaga po.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. At syempre kasama din po natin ang ating curatorial consultant for this morning, si Miss Eileen Legaspi Ramirez. Good morning po, ma'am. Welcome po.
Okay, pag-uusapan natin ang Zero In, ang kanilang consortium ng 5 private museums. Okay, meron po silang event na gaganapin, itong open call. Ito ay isang public, open to the public, free of charge event na gaganapin sa SM Mall of Asia Atrium sa September 15 hanggang September 25. Okay. Eileen, ano ba itong open call? Why is it called open call, itong event na ito?
Dalawang bagay po. Open call dahil last year, nagpalabas po kami ng open call talaga to artists asking them if they would like to do projects for us for all the 5 museums. So nagbunutan po kaming 5 museum kung ano-ano yung gagawin namin for open call. Kunyari sa amin, ang nabunot po namin ay sound. So ang mga nakuha namin sa Lopez Museum, ang nakuha namin basically are sound project proposals from different artists. So meron pong mangyayaring sound art exhibition in Lopez Museum, at the same time meron pong component na nandun sa Mall of Asia.
So when you say sound, hindi ibig sabihin ng music? Ganun ba yun? Parang disco? Hindi ganun, ha?
Hindi, ginawa namin yung range na, from the, what people know. And then we have also, yung pumunta rin kami sa ibang mga exhibitions, like there was an exhibit, alam niyo yung Fête de la Musique, right? It's done by the French Embassy here. But yung component ng visual community also did a Fête de la Wasak. It was done in B-side, and I think the curator at that time was Tengal. And then doon nandun si trabaho ni Kawayan at saka ni Tad Ermitanyo. I know, you know Kawayan.
Kawayan de Guia.
So the concept of that was what comes after sound. So imagine yung after music. So imagine yung play nung mind nung artist on ano kaya maririnig nyo after music.
So, yun ang challenge.
Meron kaming component on that, and then we have a component that we invited also Christina Moico, who's
ethnomusicologist po siya sa UP, sa College of Music. So meron naman siyang ipapakitang mga mula sa field research, panay bukid nun. So meron silang ginagawa kasi sige,
parang before they do their dance or their parang meron silang parang banda.
Kumbaga nagtotono. Yan, sa kanila ganyan.
Sila and doon sa kanila meron silang pinibit sa sarili na before they do their playing of the instruments, and it's very different from the men and the women. So meron variation. So you'll be hearing that also in the museum side. So we're presenting a scope actually of what sound. And this is also the first actually sound exhibition in
Lopez Museum.
Lopez Museum. So may range talaga.
Then how is it going to be presented? Pagpunta mo sa Lopez Museum, ganun ba yun?
Makita yan.
Maririnig mo na agad yun?
May iba-ibang parte po ng museum makikita nyo. Merong mga, at the same time, meron kami ilalabas from the permanent collection. So meron pa rin visual art.
Okay.
So may paintings pa rin. Pero at the same time, yun nga, may kanya-kanyang, kumbaga, kwarto o corner yung mga artist, dun yung mararamdaman at maririnig yung mga sound project nila.
Uy, very interesting, ha? At meron kayong dala-dala na isang
Ayan, may
artwork
sample.
dito, no?
And one of the groups that was invited also is EXIST. It means experimental in the
Experiments in sound art.
tradition. So meaning they try to also try natin yung
Malaking grupo po to. Medyo nanganganak minsan ang miyembro.
So,
Pakita natin sa bandang gitna, klaro yan, para makita ng Ayan, okay.
So ito, trabaho to ni Lirio.
Ano siya? Saan siya gawa? Anong klase ng
Stainless steel. And then
Mabigat po ba siya? Parang
Hindi
mabigat
naman.
siya.
sculptural work to na. So, but doon sa, sa museum, mas malaki yung trabaho niya, mas maganda, puntahan niya.
Tumutunog din, ha?
Tumutunog din.
Oo.
And
Gawa
then,
siya sa mga kutsarita.
Oh, may mga kutsarita eh, oh.
Oo nga.
nag-iiba siya ng sound depending on yung touch mo.
Pag hinawakan.
And even Eileen, try natin yung ano.
Hawakan ko.
Oo.
Ito.
Ay, sorry.
Oo.
Kahit ito, bago.
Oh. Oo nga, no?
Ang galing.
So, totoo na rin siya. So, doon sa museum, makakapaglaro rin yung ano.
Mga bata.
Bata, tsaka matanda. The big boys and the
Oo.
of course.
So, that's an instrument po.
Yes.
And sculpture at the same time.
Nakakagawa talaga sila ng musika out of it.
Nakagawa sila ng music and they have also a band named Elemento.
Mhm.
So, the experimental sound, they also exhibited in the Art Science Museum, I think, in Singapore ba. They have a lot of exhibits outside the country as well.
Lumalabas din.
Lumalabas din sila. Pero medyo yung trabaho nila is on this side of sound. Madami sila, siguro. And the group that will be hosting in the Lotus Museum is more than 10. So you'll have different takes on sound, experimental sound.
Meron din sila pong live performance.
Talagang music, magpe-perform sila.
Not music, actually, not in our yung conventional sense. Pero sa MOA, mayroon din silang performance. It's sa 24, yung closing.
Okay, pag-usapan naman natin yung magaganap sa Mall of Asia. Ano naman ito?
Magbubukas po yung sa Mall of Asia sa 15th. In which case, we would have 5 museum nga po kami. There will be basically a cosplay element from Ayala Museum because sila yung may hawak ng fashion.
So, yung sa inyo po, sound.
Kami yung sound.
Sa Ayala ay cosplay?
Well, galing sa manga kasi yung kanilang take-off.
Because they have an ongoing manga exhibition that is part of the Zero In.
Tapos yung Ateneo naman po, dahil food ang kanilang naging nabunot, meron silang game na pinadesign ang pangalan ay Crafty Critters Munch Up. Para siyang Pac-Man. Pero ang take-off niyan is they're eating food. They're eating up the parts of the permanent collection of the Ateneo Art Gallery. Ganyan.
Okay.
Laro lang.
Laro lang po syempre. So meron din pong may surprise element na lalabas dun sa kakainin during the opening itself. Tapos meron pong yung Museo Pambata, dahil dance po naman ang nabunot nila, performance with the Ramon Obusan kids who will be with Escuela, bigla ko nakalimutan. So they have a live drum element. So maingay at bibo po itong performances na mangyayari on the 15th. Beginning 6 p.m.
And then we also wanted to the yung audience to engage with the work kasi minsan di ba sa mga museum before bawal, no touch, no
so these are very interactive exhibits. Even yung museo, yung Bahay Chinoy, which is doing visual art, meron pong mangyayaring meron din kami bubuksan na freedom wall within the exhibit component kung saan yung mga tao ay pwedeng makisali sa pagpinta.
So it's reachable art na pwede natin sabihin, no? Yung talagang madaling maka-interact yung mga tao.
Yes, kaya rin open call yung idea. So lumalabas po kami mula sa aming mga museum, kung nasan yung mga mas maraming tao. At the same time, iniinganyo po rin namin silang pumunta sa aming mga museum pag na-discover na nila na ganito pala yung ginagawa nyo.
And then it's also a part of the museums that they wanted to bring out education for the arts in that area. Kasi maganda rin yung makita ng mga tao, yung iba-ibang latag ng arts na nangyayari sa Pilipinas.
Kasi apparently, marami pa rin ang hindi nakakaunawa sa arte, di ba? Yung recent na insidente sa CCP will show na hindi talaga nila na-appreciate yung mga ganong klaseng
kasi, iba-iba naman kasi yun. Take ng yung nakakatawa nga yung Ateneo will be eating up their collection. It's like a take on like even the sound itself. It's what comes after sound, but it doesn't mean that you don't respect the sound, because we have also a component in the museum also that we invited Ronald Tomas, who is also part of different bands before, but he is also a Berkeley graduate, and he will be doing a composition.
Oo, siya naman gumawa siya ng 7 pieces of music na naghahalaw mula sa mga field research din. So mula kay Jose Maceda, meron din siyang mula Kalinga hanggang Mindanao po yung kanyang pinaghalawan ng mga, kumbaga para siya nagre-rip, nanghihiram ng mga elemento ng music para bumuo ng bagong pyesa.
So yung parang ganong engagement.
So ang tanong naman ng iba mga kolektor, kung may mabibili raw ba sila mga painting, mga sculpture?
Wala po.
Wala.
Bawal po kasi sa museum magbenta, pero
pwede yung kausapin na lang yung mga artist.
Kayo na lang po mag-usap pagkatapos.
Magpa-commission afterwards. Bala na kayo.
Ayan, so sige, invite na natin yung ating mga listeners dyan sa event na yan, itong Open Call event.
So, sana po makarating po kayo sa Mall of Asia Main Atrium on September 15, 6 p.m. Yan po ang launching ng Open Call ng 5 museum, Ateneo Art Gallery, Lopez Museum, Bahay Chinoy Museo Pambata, who did I forget? Ayala Museum. So that's, yes, and Lopez Museum, of course. So 5 kami. Maraming mangyayari po during the launch itself, but for the weekends that we will be at the Mall of Asia, meron din po kayong makikitang mga live events. So September 17, September 18, 24, from 1 to 5 p.m. may mga performances po at activities dun sa atrium. So lahat po ito ay libre. Punta lang po kayo doon. Tapos sana po bisitahin niyo din kami pagkatapos sa sarili naming mga museum na makikita niyo po sa Metro Manila mula Manila hanggang QC.
Sa Lopez Museum ba may bayad pag gustong
meron po, may discount din po kami para sa mga estudyante at senior citizens.
Ayun. Mga magkano bang
80 pesos po pang estudyante, 100 for adult.
Ayun. Okay, so Claro, any final message?
I would like also to thank SM, of course, for hosting the 10th of the decade anniversary of the Zero-In. And then again, sana makapunta kayo because we were bringing a little of the museum inside SM, but the bigger works are actually on the museum sites. Kaya makapuntahan nyo rin yun.
Okay. Thank you so much, Claro and Eileen.
Salamat.
And we'll see you there. Salamat. Okay, oras natin, 6:50.
Oo, thank you.